Alright, we're pretty close to like Gonzaga Bay, but we're kind of figuring out what we're gonna do now because these things are right on our ass. It's actually Robby Gordon. Forgot he has a new truck, so there's Robby right there. Robby Gordon. Went from black to orange with his new Speed sponsor energy drink instead of Monster.
Coco right by that Phoenix.
What's that?
Coco pretty close to that Phoenix.
About 30 feet.
I think that's where we're camped out.
Alright.
We're staying at Gonzaga tonight.
You sure? You don't want to go with that anymore?
I kind of do.
I do.
Quite shocked, I do.